You know, again, we talked about this a lot last week. These are the kinds of conditions with the wind and the dry and the warmth, and you really got to be aware of those fires out there.
Yeah, last week was a little more pressing on the fire weather danger front. This week it's the wind, it's dry vegetation, but the air right now is pretty saturated. If you were to go outside, you'd feel the moisture in the atmosphere. The dew point's almost up to 70, which is pretty sticky by February standards. It's 76 right now, and the winds are cranked up at 32 miles per hour. Look at how warm it is inland, 87 in both Alice and Hebronville. The coast a lot cooler, and that's a function of the 60-degree sea surface temperatures in the Gulf of Mexico. So we have that south wind coming in, and it's bringing in that Gulf influence to the coastal locations. See how windy it is, 32 sustained miles per hour in town right now. The winds picked up so much today because of a deepening area of low pressure to our north. That's going to scoot to the northeast tomorrow, and that will lessen the winds. It'll still be breezy, but that's going to be the feature that drops this cold front down here heading into Wednesday afternoon and evening. Up to this point in time, forecast fairly easy to get. It's what happens after Wednesday afternoon. The forecast guidance, it's like the fork in the road. One goes left, the other one goes right. And what we're going to see here on Wednesday will depend on what happens after Wednesday afternoon. So the two camps are this front coming in Wednesday afternoon. On Thursday, some guidance wants to drift it back to the north. Others want to push it right on through and keep us cooler on Thursday and into Friday. I'm on the camp of the cooler side of things. The higher resolution data is suggesting that this thing pushes into and then through the coastal bend on Wednesday night. That would keep us cooler. Keep in mind, this forecast, it's possible that we could be in the upper 70s if that other group of data verifies. But I'm putting my neck out there. I'm aggressive with this forecast with respect to how cool it gets, specifically on Thursday and Friday. And that all hinges on that front pushing through on Wednesday night and staying to our south. So there's going to be some updates to come for sure on this. But with cooler air in place at the surface, warmer air moving in from the south up and over top of that cooler air, you're going to have an overrunning pattern with us. That tends to lead to cloudy skies, patchy light rain or drizzle, and just kind of gray, damp days. And that may be in place Thursday, Friday, and Saturday behind that front. So even though we've got day-to-day chances for some light rain, this activity is not going to total up to a whole lot, maybe a tenth or two of an inch of rain between now and Saturday. Tomorrow, going to be very warm, the warmest day of the week for sure. We'll be in the mid-60s in the morning, sunny in the afternoon, mid-90s inland, 80s closer to the beach. And then Wednesday we cloud up. We'll have some showers in the area as this front starts to work through the coastal bend. Could be in here sometime Wednesday in the mid to late afternoon hours. Tonight, some light coastal fog or haze, 67, mild and windy. Southeast wind 15 to 25 miles per hour. Tomorrow, 88. It's going to be very warm outside. We may make a run at 90 degrees, which would be a record high for the date. Northeast wind at 7 to 17 miles per hour. The waters are going to be choppy. Sea surface temperatures at 60 and a small craft advisory in play for tomorrow's area's waters. 79 on Wednesday. I've got the cold front again moving through Wednesday in the late afternoon or evening, and that would keep us way cooler heading into Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Highs in the 50s with light patchy rain each day. So we'll keep our eyes peeled on that cold front forecast. Mike.
All right, good stuff. Thank you.